If you're looking for legit remote customer service jobs, you are in the right place today. Welcome back to Remote Life with Jacq, where I bring you real companies that are hiring right now. Before we get into today's job leads, I just wanted to share that Johns Hopkins is hosting a virtual hiring event for remote customer service representatives on Tuesday, May the 5th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Opportunities are available for both bilingual Spanish English and English speaking candidates. What they would like to see is someone who has 1 to 2 years of customer service experience, someone who has experience in healthcare, high school diploma, and have that call center experience. So, if you have that background and this is something you are interested in, I will drop the link so that way you guys can go ahead and apply and get that interview scheduled for Tuesday, May the 5th. Interviews again are between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, don't forget to grab your resume template to get that resume ready so you can land this customer service remote role. Now let's get into this job leads. Our first position comes from Capital BlueCross Blue Shield as a member service representative. This is a full-time remote position with the pay range of $16 through $30, which all depends on your location and your experience. In this role, you will handle member provider questions via phone, chat, or email. You will answer questions about plans, claims, and services, resolve issues on first contact when possible, build that positive customer relationship, as well as meeting those call center metrics like quality, productivity, and schedule adherence. You will work a flexible shift between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Monday through Sunday. In this position, they would like for someone to have 1 year of customer service, strong communication and computer skills, as well as having that high school diploma. If you have a healthcare certification, that is a plus, and if you're bilingual, that's a plus as well. This is a good fit if you want a stable call center remote role with solid pay and benefits in healthcare. So if you are interested in this position, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role is coming from VSSP as a customer support 1 specialist. This role is a full-time remote position and was posted yesterday. So what you would do in this role is you will handle customer questions via phone, chat, or email across multiple topics. What you would do is answer questions on orders, payments, plans, and services, as well as resolve complex issues. You will process forms, claims, and documentation, as well as track trends and escalate bigger issues. The schedule for this position, you must be flexible to work weekends, holidays, and possible overnight. What they would like to see is someone who has 1 to 2 years of customer service. They will also like to see someone who has strong multitasking and tech skills, good communication, and problem solving skills. In this position, you may support the sales team, attend events, or assist with QA testing. This is a good fit if you want a more advanced customer support role with a variety beyond just calls. So, if you have that experience and this is something you are interested in, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Humana as a inbound contacts representative. This is a full-time remote position nationwide, so no matter where you are, you can apply. So this is an entry-level customer support role that supports calls, chat, and written questions. In this role, what you will do is you will answer benefit questions and resolve member issues. You will document interactions, escalate when needed. You will support TRICARE members and providers. You will multitask across systems while assisting those customers. In this role, they would like for you to have 1 year of customer service experience, strong multitasking and computer skills. You must be a U.S. citizen and must be able to pass a background clearance, and also you must have a high school diploma. In this role, they will also like for you to reside within a 2 hour commute distance of a government facility. The training for this position, it anticipates to start on June the 1st and 15th of June. This is a virtual training In the first 6 to 8 weeks, the schedule will be 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Attendance is mandatory. Following training, you will work a 8-hour shift between the hours of 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. You must, again, reside within a 2-hour commuting distance of a government facility. In this role, it does pay up to $45,000 per year, starting at 38, which all depends on your experience and your location. So, if you want that beginner-friendly remote role with a structured training and government-backed stability, this is a great position. The link will be in the description to apply. Our last two positions are coming from Cardinal Health. The first position is a coordinator with the individualized care. This position, it is available within the United States and was posted yesterday. It is a full-time remote position, so no matter where you are, you can apply. So this role supports patients with therapy access, insurance, and reimbursement. You will handle complex patient and provider questions, assist with prior authorizations and insurance process, follow up with patients, pharmacies, and doctors. You will manage sensitive health and insurance information. What they would like to see is someone who has 1 to 3 years of customer service experience, a high school diploma or GED, or equivalent work experience is preferred. In this role, the new hire training will take place 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mandatory on camera is required. This is a full-time position. After training, you will work that Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. In this role, the salary ranges from $18 to $25 per hour, which all depends on your location and your experience. In this role, equipment is provided. You would just have to provide the internet. And this is a good fit if you want a high-paying remote role, which supports with minimum weekends and strong stability. So if this is something that you're interested in and you have that background, the link will be in the description to apply. Our last role is coming from Cardinal Health as well as a senior coordinator patient access, a reimbursement specialist. This position, it is available within the United States. It was posted yesterday and it is a full-time role. So the shift will either be 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday or 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. All shifts will be assigned based on business needs. So what you will do in this role is you will handle inbound, outbound calls and resolve issues in one call. You will process referrals, application, and patient cases. You will work with Medicare, Medicaid, and insurance guidelines. You will also follow up with patient providers and pharmacies. This is an advanced patient support focused on insurance approvals and reimbursement role. What they would like to see is someone who has a high school diploma or GED, 1 to 3 years in the related preferred field, someone who has that previous customer service experience, someone who has strong knowledge of insurance and reimbursement, which is a big plus, and advanced problem solving and multitasking skills. In this role, again, your new hire training will take place 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., mandatory on camera. Again, this is a full-time position, and employees are required to have that flexibility to work any shift during their normal Monday through Friday business hours, 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. In this role, the hourly range is $21 to $30 per hour, which all depends on your location and your experience. Equipment is provided, growth potential is there, and this is a higher level customer service role. So this is a great fit if you want a higher paying, more specialized remote role in healthcare with growth potential. This application is due to close on May the 8th. So if this is something that you are interested in, go ahead and get that resume ready, and the link will be in the description to apply. All right, fam, those are the job leads that are hiring right now. Don't wait. Roles like these fill fast. Make sure you update your resume, apply today, and stay consistent. Make sure you follow Remote Life with Jacq for more real remote jobs, and thank you for watching today.